Before you even think about making a cheesecake, just know that you are going to need at least 2 days, if not 3. It's not so much that it requires a lot of skill and technique, it's that it requires a lot of time and patience. I don't have a lot of either of those. Now, I've made several different cheesecake recipes, but this one has to be my favorite because it's far less sweet than the rest of them, and it has a really silky, velvety texture, and I have zero self-control over this cake, okay? I will hurt myself. Now that we've established that I have no patience and no self-control, we can move on to making this cheesecake. Oh, heads up, my area is experiencing a cream cheese shortage, so good luck. All right, let's talk about this white chocolate. It is the Cocoa Berry brand Zephyr 34% white chocolate with high cocoa butter percentage. For those who know, 34% is in the milk chocolate range, so it's far less sweet than normal white chocolate, and the high cocoa butter content is the reason why this cheesecake comes out so silky. But any white chocolate will work. Cocoa Berry is one of my favorite chocolate brands. Notice me, Cocoa Berry. Don't freak out, that's just vanilla bean paste mixed in with my eggs. I do that because it cuts down on dirty dishes. That's really the only reason. Also, I've never come across a recipe that absolutely has to have the vanilla and the eggs added separately, so fight me. By the way, you can use regular vanilla if you can't find vanilla bean paste. I just recommend that you spring for some good vanilla. I know it's pricey, but it really does make a big difference in the flavor. Anyway, something that I don't usually see in a cheesecake recipe is the releasing of air bubbles. Give it a few slams. It helps settle the batter and creates a flat, level surface. And finally, we're gonna bake in a water bath, so you can see now why I covered the pan in foil and put it on a sheet tray. I cannot express this enough, but do not open the spring or remove from the pan while the cake is hot. Let it cool down to room temp, then refrigerate it for at least 24 hours, then you can remove it. Recipe screenshot and day 2 video has been posted.